everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. Hope everybody's having a great day today. It was kind of windy and then it turned nice, so that was a nice extra bonus for today. I have a unboxing. Came in a box like that. If you're new to my channel, welcome in. My channel is all about vintage luxury from a senior point of view, along with Susan and Ted lifestyle. So if you're into that kind of thing, please subscribe, like, share, and make sure you ring the bell so you're notified every time I upload videos. All right, let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. And when I reach 500, I'm going to be doing a giveaway, so make sure that you subscribe. All right, got my blade. All right, we're in. Okay. And I'll tell you a little story about this one. All right, so we got paper. All right, let's see who it's from. It's from Fendi. They give you a bag like that, hopefully not crumpled, but this one's... and they give you the Fendi ribbon. And all the stuff is inside. Alright, so a little backstory on this one. You know that I unboxed my mini Peekaboo from Fashionphile. And it's made out of fabric or satin, right? Alright, so in Canada it rains a lot. So probably a satin bag probably wasn't a good choice, but I liked the color and I liked the snake on it. It was really nice. And I've been wanting a mini Peekaboo ever since I sold my large one, because my large one was way too big. So anyway, so I got it, and then I went on Fashionphile because I wanted to find the Defender cover. Alright, so Fashionphile is in US prices, and plus you have to pay for duty, custom, and a large amount of shipping just to come to Canada. So the least expensive Defender was $975, and that's US. So I thought, God, that's kind of high. I never thought they were that much. So anyway, so I did some research and actually found at the boutique, brand new was $400 to $500 less, which is kind of crazy. So that's the route that I went. And I did meet a really nice essay, Cyrus, and he was able to give me some extra things that I was missing from the mini Peekaboo. So let's see if he put it in the Fendi bag. All right, so let's go ahead and open this up. So I just thought that was pretty crazy. Plus I saved the duty. See, you have to pay duty, import tax, plus a very high shipping. So I saved all that as well by having the boutique send it to me, because they're in Vancouver. So it'd probably be about about 3 to 4 hours away, approximately. All right, so let's see here. Gave me a box, so that was nice. Okay, I think this is the Defender. All right, so that's inside the bag. I'll stick that over there. And then this is my seat, which is nice. So let's go ahead and open this one first. All right, so it comes in a dust bag. Pretty nice dust bags, actually. They are similar to Louis. Yeah, this is the Defender, brand new, and they hot stamped it for me in Monsterized to match my Monster bag charms. Okay, so that's pretty cool. This is canvas. It has Fendi in the front, made in Italy. You kind of see that. All right, so this would be the front with the emblem. And then they have the back, which is plain. And then this also, which is kind of cool, is it turns the bag into another bag. And then, so if you want me to show you what it looks like, what fits in my mini Peekaboo, what the Defender looks like, etc., then just leave comments below and I'll be more than happy to do that. All right, then it has 3 snaps on that side. And then it has 3 snaps on that side. So you stick the bag in here, basically, and you put the little tabs, you know, on the ends of the Peekaboo. And then this is all waterproof. So that's cool. Let me see what the luggage tag turned out. This is the luggage tag. It's black. Ooh, that turned out good. Yeah, they did the monster eyes and then an S for Susan. They had to do it on the back because see the way the front is? It has like little thing, and I guess because of the eyes, they're too wide. But that's fine. So you just use it on this side. Yeah, that's cool. Okay, that turned out actually nicer than I thought. I wasn't sure when he said I have to put it on the back. I said, oh boy. All right, so that's cool. And then let's see what they... All right. So yeah, I just couldn't believe the outrageous price at Fashionphile. I thought that was like really super crazy. I said, wow, no, I don't think so. So I guess people don't do their research and they have a hot item like the Defender cases, I guess are pretty hot items still. You know, you could really get took bad. So keep that in mind when you're looking for and these were used. These weren't even like in new condition. So yeah. Yeah, you gotta watch Fashionphile. Sometimes you can get some good deals, sometimes not so much. All right, so these must be my little bag there. And he gave me one here, these here. I think these are for my straps. He gave me a couple for the straps. He gave me one for my, you know, my bag charm, my black and yellow one, Fieso, that I just got. It didn't come with a dust bag. And then he gave me an extra dust bag for my mini Peekaboo. So that was really nice. So that was, I did find some on eBay for $60. And they weren't even this good of like a variety. So So I saved another $60 US, so that would be about $100 basically. All right. Oh, and he gave me a raincoat. Every raincoat comes with a Peekaboo. So that was really nice. He didn't have to do that. Okay, they come in a like this. And then it covers your bag when it gets wet. So now I have the raincoat that completes the mini Peekaboo along with the strap. So that was super nice because you can't even find these on eBay. They're like super hard to find. I tried to find one to complete my bag, you know, because they all come with a raincoat. Alright, so that's cool. It's plastic and that says Fendi there. Ah, and he gave me another one. Wow, that was nice. Yeah, so he gave me one, two, three, 4, 5 dust bags. Wow, that's super nice. And a raincoat. Alright, so he did pretty doggone good. So I do appreciate that. I'll have to send him a little thank you because at Louis, which is sad to say, but the customer service isn't the best anymore, unfortunately. So yeah, Fendi really hit it out of the park today, so I really appreciate that. Alright, well that's my unboxing and my cool stuff that I got today from Fendi. If you're looking for anything pre-loved, vintage, anything like that, and I can help you out at any, you know, give you advice or whatever, leave comments below and I'll be more than happy to help you out. Alright, until next time, thanks for watching. Susan from Senior Style, from a senior point of view. Have a good week, guys. Thanks for watching.